everybody, welcome to the Unruly Chefs channel, where we highlight the Caribbean through island people, island places, and island food. And today I'll be making some authentic peanut porridge, so stay tuned and let's go. When you're making the coconut milk for the peanut porridge, you could do two ways. Obviously, cracking the coconut is the hardest way to do it, but this is the most authentic way. Or if you don't have a dry coconut at home, you could use one of the Grace coconut milks as well to make the porridge. I've completed blending up the coconut, so here's the milk from the actual coconut itself that we're gonna use for the porridge, and then here's the beautiful trash. Nice and rich. This is 2 to 3 tablespoons of oats, which will go into the coconut milk. This is 4 to 5 tablespoons of peanut porridge mix. So if you don't have the authentic peanuts, you could use this peanut porridge mix, and I'll put the link in the description. Lastly, we have 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and then 1 teaspoon of salt. So now I'm gonna put my oats in the coconut milk, just like this. Okay, at this point, I got some water in the pot, not too much. Then I'm gonna use a cinnamon stick and drop it in that water and let it boil, because it's gonna get the scent and the aroma, and it's gonna make that porridge taste real nice, guys. Pour my cane sugar in here. Quick little drop of vanilla. Yep, that's good. And then I don't do too much condensed milk, so probably like 1 spoon for me. I don't like it too sweet. So there you go. Just whisk it up. Okay guys, so I am just whisking it up, but let me show you a quicker way to do it. Quick tip. So you see this whisk? Watch this. Look at this one, magic. Quicker and easier. Yep. So give this a couple more minutes and we should be done pretty soon. All right. Starting to get its thickness. Just gonna whisk it for a little bit more and we'll be done. This right here is yummy, guys. So I hope I helped you, and I'll see you again on the next episode. All right, peace.